Assalamu alaikum. I share many different kitchen decor ideas and kitchen cabinet and kitchen shelf and kitchen marbles sheets and kitchen drawer. You can see these are very beautiful and wonderful ideas, kitchen decor ideas. And this kitchen style so nice and good look, good design, good for wooden work, and this style also nice and so sink colors. And this kitchen cabinet design freezers inside the wardrobe and put on the different things, and this kitchen drawer and put on the different pots, and very good style, good look, good design, and good wooden work, and good interior design. And this kitchen stove and this kitchen drawer and put on the different pots and plates, and this kitchen shelf design and black colors, very nice and beautiful. And beside the cabin show and this shelf and light gray shades, so nice, and chair design, very good look, and this shelf design and cabin design, so nice and beautiful. And this kitchen style also nice and beautiful and wonderful designing and good look, good design, good design. Also nice and beautiful and wonderful idea, good look, and this kitchen style also nice and beautiful and wonderful design and cabin show, and this shelf mid on the kitchens and white color and visa show white palace, and this kitchen drawer and shelf and look like so beautiful and good style, and other side the cabin show and this different things, and this shelf show inside the chairs and hanging different style lights, very nice and beautiful and good look and good styles. And this show put on the tissue papers and good style and good wooden work, and this shelf on the mid on the kitchens, and this style also nice and very beautiful and good interior designs. And this kitchen style also nice and beautiful and very beautiful and wonderful ideas and good style, and this wood drawer show and cabin show and style very beautiful and different look, different styles. And this kitchen drawer show and different cutlery show, and to this different pots put on the drawers, and this sink of white colors and show slide windows and good like good design, good wooden work. And this sink and this drawer show also nice and beautiful and wonderful ideas. And this kitchen show so nice, very beautiful, and show lights and this style also good look and good wooden work and good design. And this also nice and beautiful and sink show and this style cabin show and side the pipeline under the wiring, good designing, and this kitchen style, very good look and good wooden work and very beautiful and different pots and spoons, and this style also nice and beautiful and show cabin and show windows, this good look, good design, so nice and beautiful. And this kitchen style is very beautiful and fit on the stove on the kitchens, and this kitchen drawer show good design and good interior, good wooden work, so nice and beautiful and wonderful ideas how to save many different things, brush and fibers and cleaning bottles and this sink and tap style, so good look and show outside the view and sunshine direct in the kitchens. And this kitchen shelf and different things put pots on the shelf, and this style as tables and chairs. And this kitchen style so nice and beautiful and good design, good interior. And this style also nice and beautiful, and store show and drawer show, and put on the different mm, things as a teapot. And this kitchen cabins are so nice and beautiful and wonderful ideas. And this kitchen corner design so good look and good light on the kitchens. And this kitchen drawer showed and put on the different style tire tray, and this cabin and put on the different pots, plastic box. Very good design. And this, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thanks.